Okay guys, this is part 2 of making the mini pancakes right now. We're putting the batter in. We already have...
Don't show those aren't mini.
We had some tryouts, but they didn't become mini. So...
Alright, these can flip. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oops. Like this.
Can I flip the last one?
It's not that easy, but you could try.
And you film?
It's not that easy. They're too small.
Okay. Can I flip that one?
You don't
It's
want
fine.
You don't want to let them burn.
I'll flip the next one.
It's like made out of it's like a plastic spoon, so you don't want it to be attached to the heating element for too long because it'll melt.
So it's safer you're doing it. If you do this, kids, always have an adult with you. Or adult supervision, at least. Now we just wait.
No, it's like a minute or so. They brown up pretty quickly on the other side. It's just they're slippery with this mini spatula.
They were advertised as mini turners in the store. But I have no idea what a turner is. Okay, we're making one final batch.
Now we got a bunch to make.
Oh, wait, what?
When you do minis, it could take a long time because they don't take a lot of the batter.
But yeah, guys, we will show you another one, part 3.